Today, we're going to talk about the meaning and when to use regardless and irregardless. Regardless means in spite of or even though. You use it when you do something even though something else may be true. Regardless is often used with of. For example, the school decided to continue with the renovations regardless of the costs. Or, regardless of the evidence against him, the jury found him innocent. About irregardless. Because regardless already has a negative, by adding ir in front of it, you are making it a double negative, basically making the meaning not without regard. It is not a real word, and it would mean the opposite of what you want it to mean. So don't use it.